Worcester heatslave boiler on lockout. There's the reset button, but that don't necessarily fix it. Now it's done a click. You have these buttons here. The one with the P and the arrow and the minus you don't touch. The one with the V you don't touch. But this P, which is usually on the top of the unit, but this one's on the side, you do, you loosen it and you let liquid come out until it runs clear. And you keep doing that until it fires up and stops going on lockout. You've got to wait for it to come clear. As you see, that one wasn't clear. So keep going until it happens.